Now, the alleged custodial death of a BJP worker has sparked a fresh controversy in West Bengal. Calcutta High Court has ordered second post-mortem and has sought reports and videography of both post-mortems by next hearing. Madan Gorai, a BJP booth president, was arrested on 25th September in a case of kidnapping of a minor. On 27th September, he was sent to judicial custody. His family alleges he was tortured. However, cops have denied the allegations. Joined by my colleague Shreyasi over the phone line on this. Shreyasi, so a fresh controversy here related to a Bengal BJP worker. Now, the Calcutta High Court has ordered a second post-mortem in the case. Take us through the details of the hearing and what the controversy is about.
Well, as far as the Calcutta High Court order is concerned, it has been stayed by the Calcutta High Court Division Bench. Yesterday, when the High Court heard the matter, the single bench judge passed an order for a second post-mortem since it concerned alleged custodial death. However, the state government moved a division bench right after that, and the case was taken up for a special hearing in the chambers by a division bench. And they have stayed the second post-mortem because the state argued that they were not given enough time to present the case properly due to the short notice, and also because the body had already been handed over to the family and had been released and was with them for almost 24 hours, and conducting a second post-mortem could give a different medical report keeping in mind that the body was already out and had returned to the morgue after 24 hours. Because during the day, we did see how BJP was rallying with the body of their party worker in Kolkata. Now, the case will be reheard on Monday by the same single bench judge, and the body has been asked to be preserved by the state till Monday. The autopsy has been stopped. There will be no autopsy right now. Only after the arguments on Monday, and depending on what order is passed, will there be any other progress when it comes to the post-mortem. However, the BJP and the family members have alleged that Madan Gorai was tortured while in custody. But the police have said that Madan Gorai was in judicial custody and was not under their police custody. However, he was arrested on the 25th of September for kidnapping a minor and was being, was under investigation because of that case. But of course, the case is now sub judice, and we'll have to wait and see how the Calcutta High Court rehears the case on Monday.
Right, Shreyasi, thank you so much for bringing us all the updates on that story.